Oh, welcome to Wheels Down in Thailand. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I have not done an unboxing video, so I thought I would start with that. And I'm going to, as you can see, the clouds are coming in, so I'm going to try and get this done before it starts raining here. Now what I have is a box from HR3 Bagger, which is supposed to be the top bag for my bike, and should be color matched to the blue and black. There is a little bit of damage to the box, especially over on this side. So hopefully, and down here, so hopefully the hard bag inside is not damaged. But I shall soon see. So, do a little open things up here. Somebody had fun with all of the stamps for the post office. Now this was shipped out of China. So ordered via, I believe the website is hr3bagger.com, and I will post that down in the comments so that anybody who's interested, depending on the quality here, can check things out for themselves. Now it feels alright, I'm not feeling any damage, but let's get the cover off. That looks like the right shade of blue. And so I'm going to open the side up here. Now, looking at it, it doesn't seem to be any damage. We got the black stripe there. Looks like the right shade of blue. I'm gonna pull this out of the box and then haul it over to the bike and see how it looks. Let's see here. Stand it up first. And we've got Alright, now I've got, since the bike is mostly black, I've got some black hardware to replace the chrome here on both sides. There's the latch over there. And this doesn't have the holes drilled for the seat, so I'm going to have to do that. However, it seems to be in good condition. I'm not seeing any issues. I'm going to leave the hardware for the latch, or for mounting it, is all in here. So HR3, there's their logo. And that did come with the mounting kit, everything here, directions for setting it up, the bracket to go on the bottom of the bag, keys, which, as I said, I have different hardware, so that's not going to be utilized. But I've got to see, I'm going to have to drill in here. There's no holes for that mount that I can see. Looks like they did this a little bit wrong, so and over here I think those screws are supposed to go through the felt that's in here to hold it down, but oh, there's the holes, so pull that felt out. So that's easy enough. When I switch out the hardware, I will switch out, and I'll do a video of that, I'll switch out, pull these screws out, put the black hardware on, run those through here. I will pull this retractor cord for the lid out, and this is obviously supposed to be inside this little lip here. So, all well and good. Now the last question is, does this match the color of the bike? And if I can get the piece of cardboard that's stuck into the latch, there we go, out of the way, I will drag this over and compare it to the motorcycle. So, and it has just started raining, so I'm going to do that and call it good. I'll do another video for mounting the hardware and mounting everything onto the bike. So the color does match the bike quite well, actually. And I was gonna get the camera over there, have the top bag sitting on the seat, and do a little video comparison so people could see. However, just as I got the bike there, it started raining, and I don't know how well you can see this, but 2 minutes ago, this was completely dry, and now it is not. So, and you can see I'm a little damp as well, and that's just from walking over to the bike and back. Once back with the bag, and once with the box to take it over and drop the box off. So, I will put the comparison shot up at the end of this. When it dries out, before I post this, I'll do a photo with the bag sitting on the bike for comparison.